In this controlled bay, workers begin visual and dimensional checks on incoming steel. Automated scanners and lasers verify tolerances in real time, a seamless workflow. Efficiency holding at 98%. Rerouting plastics to lane 3. Confirmed. Aluminum batch labeled and diverted. All lanes clear. Throughput optimal. Alignment is spot on. Thickness is holding at 0.5 mm. Good. Keep the feed steady. Panel stack complete. Initiate next batch. Cut quality is nominal. Monitoring ventilation. Edge trim complete. Moving to press.
Surface looks good. Proceeding to polish.
Silos are dispensing steadily. Pressure holding at 120. Feeders are synced. Pellets move at stimuli 10. All green. Confirmed. Maintaining flow. Viscosity is optimal. Temperature is stable. Texture is consistent. Send it to molding.
Left frame scan complete. Deviation at 0.12 millimeters.
Confirmed.
Overall alignment at 99.8%. Approved for next stage.
Levels are stable. Initiate the next dip. Copy. Crane is lowering now. Panel 3, clear. No visible runs or orange peel.
Confirmed. Scanners show uniform gloss.
Panel 4, hold. Microbubble cluster on quadrant B. The engine assembly line activates, with components arriving on conveyors. This professional workflow showcases industrial efficiency in motion. Alignment confirmed. Proceed with the next piston. Piston seated correctly. No tolerance issues. All clear. Ready for the next block. Station 2, RPM stable at 2500, temperature nominal. Station 3, pressure at 150 psi, cycle complete. Robotic arms precisely place gears into housings, initiating the automated assembly. Workers and robots for exhibition Flonsperspiration efficiency. Aligning front mounts now. Looks good. Lock it in. Dashboard module prepped. Arm, begin transfer. Alignment confirmed. Securing connectors now. Final torque applied. Dashboard installed. Seat aligned. Securing now. Bolts torqued to spec. Robotic arms precisely place windshields, applying adhesive evenly for a perfect seal. This seamless workflow ensures high quality and efficiency in modern manufacturing. In this high-tech assembly plant, precision alignment systems ensure every door mounts perfectly onto the vehicle chassis. The battery modules are placed into the compartments with precision. Locks are secured, ensuring a stable and reliable fit. This workflow demonstrates industrial efficiency. Connecting scanner to the sedan. Copy that, standing by an electronic check. Data is populating, voltage stable, system check complete, all clear. Moving to the SUV. Initiate simulation for sedan. Load profile at 80%. Rear is stable, braking wrist nominal. Truck test at active, monitoring torque curves now. All systems green, sequence complete. Engines online, monitoring vibrations. Levels are nominal, systems green. All parameters stable, test complete. Door alignment is precise. Checking the paint next.
Underbody is clear, moving to trim.
Agreed. Trim looks good. All systems functional. This one is approved. Automated brushes deliver a precise pre-clean, setting the stage for the final polish. A final buff brings out the showroom shine, completing the high-efficiency workflow. Peel the film slowly to expose the adhesive. Align the film precisely with the left edge. Press down firmly, smoothing rightward to remove air. Straps on the SUV are secure. Good. Double check the tension. Sedan cover is smoothed. Ready for inspection. Shipment's dashboard is live, monitoring for delays. Route optimized for the Chicago outbound, ETA updated. All clear, shipments are proceeding as scheduled. Initial walk around complete, moving to underhood checks. Copy that. Sticker on windshield checks out. Fluids and belts look good. Testing battery now. Log in. Exterior next. Let's keep this moving. These are impressive. Let's look at the specs.
Of course, this sedan has a 4.2 second 0-60. And the electric SUV's range?
It's 370 miles. Let's see the interior. Here are the keys. All checks are complete. Great, thanks. Let's confirm the interior. Go ahead, open the door. Interior looks good. No issues. Excellent. Sign here. The documentation is complete. You're clear to drive out.
Drive safely. Enjoy your new car.
Steady, set it down. Prep for the ankle. Prep for the next take.